EVAX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering that in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Look, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point and document 40,000 videos, and ultimately EVAX is bearish. I'm trying to be kind of not nice, but that's my exact previous idea that I got. Well, I'm telling you at the beginning of the year, at the time I was sitting at 366, and I was just willing to take it further down from there on, right? Take things low. So to like 230, that's 3 months back. And since that point, man, all I'm here to tell you is that this is just kept melting. Unironically tapped in a supply zone. So how this will look like for me, at least, is if I see some sort of a double break, then this is going to be an easy sell for me. So it's not financial advice. And if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month with indicators, then just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails. And look, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. See ya.